Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ocube. Today's tutorial is gonna be on how I tie this beautiful fan Nigerian gele. So if you're new here for the first time, do consider subscribing, and if you're returning, thanks for always coming back. So without much ado, let's get started with this tutorial. So to start, I'm going to be using this beautiful tie to do the fan tie. I'll just place it on the model's head and form my pleats. I'll form as many pleats as I want, then arrange it, make sure it doesn't overlap one another. Then I'll tell the model to help me hold one part while I keep arranging the other plate at the other side. So I'm just trying to arrange the pleats. So when I'm through with that, I go to the back and cross over the tie. The aspect that is not that long, which is the 30% of the tie, I carry up to form extra pleats or layers from where my last plate stopped. See, I'm just trying to form extra pleats until I feel I've formed enough. See what I'm doing? I'm forming extra pleats. So now I formed as many as I think. Then the longer aspect of the ashoke, which is at my left hand side, I will use it to cross over. The pleats are formed already. See, so just look at what I'm trying to do here. I'm just trying to make sure the pleats don't overlap. Then I'll not carry the longer part of the tie. See this one now that I'm holding is the longer aspect, so I'll take it over, like on top of where my last plate stopped. Then I start to form the tie, the fan shape. My hand was actually blocking, I didn't know. So but I feel you just understand. I'm just trying to form my pleats. So at a point I'll start forming the fan. It's just the pleats I'm just trying to arrange over here. I'm just trying to arrange the pleats. Okay, see what I did now. I was just trying to arrange the pleats. So and then I'm using my left hand. I'm using it to hold the pleats are formed already. I'm using it to hold the pleats are formed already, while I carry the other hand to form more pleats. See, and I'm slanting it from the middle of the head. I'm not slanting the plate. I'm no more making it like round pleated shape. From the middle, I'm just slanting it over until I get to the end of the tie. You must pleat to the end of the tie. You must pleat to the end of the tie. So you just keep pleating until you get to the end. See, I'm using my two hands. One hand to hold the pleats I've pleated already, and the other to pleat more pleats. And the more I'm getting to the end, the more I'm slanting. It's just the way the fan tie is. See, you see the way it's all coming out. I'm slanting and I'm making sure I get to the end. See, I've gotten to the end now. See, look at the way it's beautiful. Look at how beautiful the tie looks. So now the ending part, now as I've gotten to the end of the tie, I'll take it over to the back to try to tie. So now I'm just trying to make sure I tie the tie. So this is the end of this tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. I'll definitely see you all in my next one. I love you all. Bye bye, loves.